the car?
Just back box delete and air filter.
Right.
And I've got EBC brakes, discs and pads all.
Stuff.
Yeah, discs and pads all round.
Yeah, it does sound good.
Chris got them though, we just burnt it out straight away. They're supposed to be that good, aren't they? Which ones you got?
Green stuff pads.
I think he got red stuff. So
yeah.
Out on him doing 120, just set on fire. I get doing.
You know. I've had them on for a while, so I've got used to them now, and you don't even have to really press your brake pedal. Just normal driving, you don't have to press the brake pedal all that much. And but when you're caning it, you have to really anchor on.
Yeah.
I mean, it's on standard shocks and suspension, so it is kind of roly-poly, but
I've heard these handle absolute dream though.
that's how I beat Steve in his Focus.
What, ESC off?
No, ESC off, and I were doing 100 through corners on a back road, and he just couldn't keep up.
Any write-offs?
No.
Okay,
touch wood. Touch wood.
Quick.
Yeah, just a bit. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people don't know, it's basically the old Z-Tech turbo engine.
Oh, is it?
Basically, right. It's the same engine.
So the Z-Tech's basically a beast then, the old Z-Tech?
Yeah, the old... you can get a 1.6 Focus Z-Tech or a Fiesta Z-Tech with the 1.6 engine in, and you can actually turbo them.
Got rained off.
You know.
Didn't even get to have a go. Like a seed. I'm trying to get a saying going. It's like a seed.
Like a seed. I say you do get a bit of body roll. It does throw you around in the cabin.
It does, Yeah, it's not too bad though, is it?
No.
Really, for stock suspension.
It's not too jolty though. It's kind
No.
of once it's there, it's done rolling.
Yeah,
Isn't it?